Okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing for the mystery lucky charm from yoshitani.com. I've never done an unboxing before, so this is brand new for me. I don't do a lot of videos either. All right, put you right here. I'm also wearing a tea turtle shirt, or turtle tea. I don't remember, but I love them so much. Okay, I'll be happy with any of these, but I'm kind of hoping for health, but I'll be happy with anything. It's a mystery charm. There we go. Oh, money! It's a kitty cat charm. That'll go great on one of my purses. I will definitely love it. I love the lucky kitty. Thank you so much.